Hi! In this video I'll show you how to create blinking light or flashing light in Blender. Let's start. Remove the original cube. Go to Add menu. Add a UV sphere. Go to Modifier Properties, add Modifier, Subdivision Surface. Change Levels Viewport to 3, and change the render to 3. Select Apply. Go to Material Properties, add New Material. Change the surface to emission. Change the strength to 4. Change the emission color to any color as you want. Go to Shader Editor Workspace. Go to Add menu and in the search box write value. Then select the value box and add it. In the search box write color ramp. Then select the color ramp box and add it. Connect color to color. And connect value to factor. Change the value of the value box to 0.5. And right-click on it, and select Insert Keyframe. Go to Graph Editor Workspace. And select the default value. Select Modifiers. Add Modifier. Select Built-in Function. Be sure you are at Sign Selection. Change the factors to the values as shown. 1, minus 0.16, minus 15, and 1. Go back to the 3D viewport workspace. Select Shading Viewport. Change the world color strength to 0. Go to Render Properties. Tick the bloom box. And inside the bloom decrease the threshold to 0. And change the color to any color as you want. Change the intensity to 1. Go to Color Properties and change the color to any color. Play your animation. That is all. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.